Hello everyone, have you ever seen a post like this? Yes. This is one of the texts that is often used in memes. Today, we will learn to make typography similar to this. First, I will write with Arial black font, size 100 pixels, and space 130. Change the fill color to white. Stroke number 3. Next, go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadows. Follow the settings like this. Don't forget to enable preview. Finally, click OK. If you want to edit again, you can still go through Edit Effects. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.